Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video I'm going to build Tic Tac Toe game in C++. So let's start. Playground of Tic Tac Toe game is 3x3 grid. So it is two-dimensional array with 3 rows and 3 columns. I will declare character array. I will give it name grid. It will have 3 rows and 3 columns. When game starts, all fields will be empty, so I will assign space character to all elements in grid array. I will do that with nested for loop. And now grid of I and j is equal to empty space. Player will choose field by index of row and column, so I need those two variables, row and column. And then I need while loop. For now it will be infinite loop. I will ask player to enter row of field. It is row. And I will also do that for column. And after that I need to put value inside that field. It will be either x or o. I will declare variable for that. I will call it xo and it will initially be x. So after user chooses field, I need to put value inside that field. So it will be grid of row and column. It is equal to xo. And then I need to change value of this variable. So if xo is equal to x, then xo will become o. And if it's not, if it's o, it will become x. I will make this user friendly, so user will choose from 1 to 3. And because of that, I need to subtract index of row and column by 1. I also need to print playground so players can know current state of the game. I will declare void function print grid. It will have char array as input parameter. I will copy this nested for loop. It is G here. I will print here new line. So I will call that function here. Print grid. I will pass grid array. I will add new lines here. And I will also clear screen after each iteration of while loop. System clear. I will also show which player is on move. Player XO is on move. Okay, let's now run this code. So this is the playground. X player is on move. If I want to put X here, I will choose first row and first column. So X is here. Now O player is on move. And if I also choose first row and first column, O will be put here, but it is not what I want. I want when one field is filled, then it cannot be changed. Let's fix that. So only if field is empty, then I will put value inside that field. And I will also print confirm move. Else I will print field is full, try again. And I will add new line. Let's now run this code. So I will put X here, and now if I try to put O here, I won't be able to do so because it is full, and now player is not changed. So I will put, for example, in here, here, and so on. Now I need to terminate this loop. Loop will be terminated in two cases. When playground is full, where there is no empty field, and when one of the players win. Let's first check if playground is full. I will declare function is full, which will have array as input parameter, and here with nested for loop I will copy this. If any field is empty space, then it is not full, so I will return false. And if it is not case, I will return true. So inside condition I will call this function is full, and I will pass grid. And as long as grid is not full, while loop will iterate. And after while loop is terminated, I will print grid, and I will also print game over. Okay, let's now run this code. I will first going to put X here, so it is 1 and 1, but it doesn't work. I made error. I think it is here, and I need to put here double equal sign. And let's run this code now. I'm going to now fill every field 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 and 3 3. And now because its playground is full, game is over. So game is over when playground is full, but it's also over when one player wins the game. So I will also write another function. I will copy this is win. I will first check rows. So if first element in row is x, and if all elements in that row are equal, is equal to 1, and if this field is equal to last element in that row, return true. And I will also do this for O. I just need to replace this with O. And I will return here false. I will call this isWin function here. I will pass grid, and while loop will iterate only if playground is not full and when it is not win. And here I will add new line. And let's now run this code. So X is here. I'll put O here. And I will put X here. So it is first row and third column. And game is over. X player wins. So this was checking rows. Now I will check columns. I will just replace this. I will be here in second square brackets. Here, here, and here. Now it is 0, 1, 1, and 2. And I will copy this for O and put O here. And let's now run this code. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and I will put O here, so it is third row and second column. So game is over, O player wins. Now I will check main diagonal. So I will copy this. So if 0 and index 0 and 0 if it's x, and then if 0 0 is equal to 1 and 1, and 1 and 1 is equal to 2 and 2, return true. And I will also do this for O. And this is checking main diagonal. Let's run this code. So 1 1 2 1 2 2 3 1. Now I will put x here, so it is 3 3. Game is over, X player wins. And last, I need to check secondary diagonal. I will copy this. Secondary diagonal. So indexes of secondary diagonal is 0 2. It is 0 2 1 1 and 2 0. And I will also do that for O. And let's run this code again. So 1 3 1 1 2 2 3 3. And now I will put X here, so it is third row and first column. And game is over, X player wins. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.